Alright. Hello. You right? Papunta na kami sa barko. Hello. Yeah. Oh, akit na kami sa malaking barko.
That way.
Ha?
This
No?
way.
Yeah,
Because that's the thing, no?
Oh, look at that. Yung mga crew, mga people visiting. Akit kami ng barko. Apat lang kami eh. Si Bebe, si Jelly, si Roxanne,
Hi.
and me.
And Constantine.
Ay, sinabi ko na nga, Bebe.
Sabi.
Ayun daw ang nickname niya. Kasi I don't know his name. Taran, tan. Ha? Akit tayo sa taas, di ba?
We out.
Oh, this to the ship.
We out.
To the ship. See? To the ship. Yeah.
Two big ship.
Yeah, I just saw it upside down na.
We out this ship. There's no going up with the
Oh, yeah.
escalator.
Di hagdanan. Ay,
Akit kami nagdanan.
Lupat ka na.
Oo nga, lo, 20% na lang eh.
Saan ba yung anak ko? Ba't hindi pa natin sila lubong?
I-rescue na yung aking mobile. Ay, sus. Ah, they say welcome. Welcome. Hi, wait for me.
You need to go
That way.
through here.
Yeah.
Huh? Hello.
Hello, hi. Morning, sir.
Saan na tayo na naman pupunta?
Thank you.
Hi. Hello.
To visit.
Just visit.
To visit.
Go visit.
Come up there through the baggage hall, come up.
You need to check in if you're visitors.
We just check in, they
We
give us
just
cards
stay-
and they put us to go to the security, go left and we're here.
Have you come from downstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You still need to check in here. Let
Ah.
me show you.
oh,
Bless you. Oh, thank you.
Pinay ka?
Hello.
Ano?
Ano, Pinoy?
Hindi daw.
That's the big ship. Hello. To the ship. Another check-in na naman kami. Oh my God. Ang dami na namin dinaan ng check-in. Check-in. Oh, where can I check in? Always I can check in with your bag in here.
Okay. Yeah, somebody will check you in here.
All right, I see. Oh, lovely. Thank you very much.
It's alright. So you've been given these? You're visiting
Yeah,
today?
they told
Yeah.
us to make a
All of
left
us.
and
Okay.
we went up
Sorry
here.
about this. Okay. Right, I'm gonna go. So can we do some? We've got some videos. Get their passport.
Passport again.
Again, yeah. There you go, one.